is great today. That makes the day a Kung Fu day.
Hi my friend, so what are we going to training today? 2 days ago, I posted a video about spear, the king of Kung Fu weapon. So let's stay in the spear today.
Now is the time for the tutorial of spear. The very basics movement. 拦拿炸。Your right hand hold all the way, brother. Yes. Left hand hold middle, halfway. Like this. And right hand. Make a circle, block left, and come down, and stop. Stop. Inhale, up, and down. So up, down, stop. Up, down, stop. 1, 2, straight. First side. 1, 2, straight. 1, 2, straight. 1, 2, straight. Power out your waist and push. Power, power, power. Life always busy, but if something you really want to do, you always find a way. If not, you will find excuses. I'm coming back for Kung Fu training and tutorial. I see you in the next video. Bye bye.